Fluid Management Systems is a leading manufacturer of automated sample preparation solutions for sample extraction, cleanup, fractionation, and concentration, designed for analytical testing laboratories. Based in Watertown, Massachusetts, Fluid Management Systems designs and manufactures systems and consumables at its facility to guarantee quality workmanship. All system consumables are manufactured in a state-of-the-art clean room to produce products with the lowest possible background and deliver the highest quality results. Our consumables are tested and guaranteed. All systems are tested as configured by the end user at the time of purchase to ensure 100% success at the time of the client's installation. Located just outside of Boston, Massachusetts, FMS is a leading manufacturer of automated sample preparation solutions for sample extraction, cleanup, fractionation, and concentration, designed for analytical testing laboratories. The broad range of markets served by FMS includes agricultural, biopharmaceutical, pharmaceutical, environmental monitoring, food and beverage, industrial manufacturing, and petrochemical. Here at FMS, we understand the demands testing labs face every day. Laboratories need to get it done faster, better, and cheaper than it's been done in the past, while at the same time achieving accurate, consistent, quality results. Getting the job done with less staff and budget is a reality, and your sample load is not decreasing. You need systems that are designed to do just that. Our automated sample preparation systems are designed to eliminate the manual techniques that bog down a laboratory's sample throughput. Our total sample preparation solutions will let your staff and valuable analytical instrumentation work more efficiently, reducing cost, sample turnaround time, and will increase sample throughput. The Power Prep is changing the face of high-speed sample processing in today's laboratories. The automated liquid chromatography system performs simultaneous sample processing automatically and unattended. You need only to load your samples, snap on your pre-packaged disposable columns, and press the Start key. The system performs the entire sample cleanup and fractionation simultaneously for 6 samples automatically, including sample loading, column washing, elution, and fraction collection. The Power Prep concentrates and separates analytes from a variety of sample extracts. It can be used for different methods, such as EPASW 846 for pesticides, PCBs and PAHs, CFRs, FDA, ASTM, EPA, and EU sample analysis. The Power Prep can also be configured to perform automated SPE methods in parallel. The Power Prep system uses pre-packaged disposable columns. Fluid Management Systems' proprietary columns are made from Teflon and contain multi-layer silica, alumina, and carbon, as well as a variety of other packing absorbents. Fluid Management Systems' pre-packed columns are tested for purity and performance prior to shipment. The traditional sample cleanup process is a manual process that can take up to 3 days to complete. Manual sample cleanup consists of a series of many steps, including the baking of absorbents, preparation of acidic and basic silica, as well as other required absorbents, packing and conditioning of the columns, then loading the samples, eluting the columns, and fraction collection. The glassware is then cleaned and the process starts again. With a few keystrokes, the Power Prep system performs an entire column chromatography automatically, achieving consistent and high recoveries for all analytes. The unattended operation of the system saves labor and valuable time. The Power Prep system reduces the amount of glassware and solvents required for manual sample cleanup. This is how the Power Prep sample cleanup system works. Silica, alumina, and carbon columns are taken out of vacuum-sealed bags. Teflon hex fittings are put on the cleanup columns. The cleanup columns are then placed on the cleanup sample processing module. Clean, empty 200 milliliter glass tubes are placed into the evaporator. Prepared solvents are placed in the appropriate bottles for cleanup. The Power Prep cleanup program is opened. Conditioning of the columns starts, along with the preheating of the evaporator. First, the silica columns are conditioned. Next, the alumina column is wetted with hexane. Then the carbon column is pre-eluted in the forward direction. The next step in the Power Prep cleanup program is the loading of the sample onto the silica and alumina columns. The high-capacity acid silica column oxidizes the fat from the sample. The silica column is eluted with hexane. The alumina column is eluted, and the PCB fraction collected in the evaporator tube. The last step in the Power Prep program is the elution of the carbon column in the reverse direction with toluene. The dioxin fraction is collected in the evaporator tube. Both dioxin and PCB fractions are concentrated. The concentration of dioxin and PCB fractions is now complete. The GC vial is taken off of the 200 milliliter tube, and the sample is then transferred to the GCMS for analysis. With the Power Prep, you can process samples in hours, not days. Increase your sample throughput. Eliminate errors that can occur in manual techniques. Lower labor and training costs. Reduce expensive glassware. And eliminate background interference. Headquartered in the USA, Fluid Management Systems also has an extensive distributor network throughout the world. Please contact Fluid Management Systems today at onlineinfo@fms-inc.com to discover how our fully automated sample preparation solutions will help your lab to meet its business objectives.